Welcome to another video. I'm going to do a review on another DIY cluster lash that you can get from Amazon. This is a very inexpensive way to do your lashes at home, and there's lots of different brands of lashes, different glues, and sometimes you don't know which one is the best just by looking at it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. You can see these lashes. I did try them once before doing a review. Now that I kind of have a hang of how to do the lashes. So this is the tweezers that it comes with. Now they're not just regular tweezers, they're like the real pointy ones. So you wanna be really careful with these. And this is the bond and the seal. I'll show you the bond. It is black, which is fine. I prefer clear, but it kind of, you can kind of see better where you're applying the glue. And the seal is a little bit different compared to the other two that I have reviewed. So the seal on this one, you see how it has this little fuzz ball at the end. So it has the regular spoolie, and then it has this little fuzz ball here that is really nice because it is going to absorb the product. So you can see the product is on there, right? But you're going to want to just kind of take it off before you apply it. And it just kind of touches it ever so gracefully and gently on the lash. So you're not just using the spoolie. I mean, you can if you want to, if you're used to that, but try it out if it's something you're interested in. Try it out if you like this. Let me try to focus it. It might not focus. It's okay. So try it out. Try it out if you are interested. And let's go ahead and look at the little hairs a little bit into detail. Okay, so when I'm looking at these little individual hairs, they are a little bit different. So I would say that the shine on them is about the same. You're gonna kind of have to see it in person, but the shine is from the back a lot, but the actual hairs itself are shiny. I don't think there's gonna be a way to really get away from that, is kind of what I'm seeing. So my expectations have changed a bit. So I look at the bottom to the top, and I like the range. So we have a 16 to 9, and I like the bigger numbers, but this is like a perfect example here, and I'll show you here. I'll pick up one, and this one's looks more sparse, and this one is a little bit looks thicker. Maybe it's just the way that the hairs are fanned out, you know what I mean? So there's not much consistency to them, but it's not terrible. I'm just kind of being like super picky at this point because I'm looking for one that I'm gonna purchase over and over again that I know isn't going to let me down. So those are nice. The number 14s are really pretty. Let me show you the 14. And you can see like these are really, they're fanned out really nicely. I really like the fullness in it and just the shape of it overall. So if they were all like that, I would love it, but it's kind of like I know what I'm looking for in a way. And it's really just the two larger numbers that are kind of like not the best, but that's okay. So we have this side here that I haven't used yet. I'm trying to see how many uses I can get out of it, but so far I have used it. I have done 2 sets, and this is how much I've used up for 2 sets. So I'm trying to use all of them, but you can see I kind of have been using them evenly. But I kind of use the long ones because I just love that effect. So I'm going to show you the map I'm going to do. And so it's going to be one of each number that I'm going to do on my eye. So there are a little bit too many. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip number, I skipped number 13 is the one I skip. So I go from 14 to 12 and then 11 and 9. So I'm going to gradually increase. If you wanted to do a larger increase, and that's kind of a different map. So you'll see with the description that we have on these lashes, the back of the packaging comes with a basic lash map. So in case you're not sure what to do or what it's going to look like. So I'm just going to map it out. So I'm going to do large. So 16, 15. I'm trying to kind of put them like how I were to do them on the eye. 14. I skipped 13. I did 12. And then 11. And you can do like multiples. So I'm gonna do 2 number 11s and then a 10 or a 9. 2. And it really just depends on your eye shape too. And a 9. So there's my little cat eye. And I find that this looks best on my eye shape. So that's why I'm doing this particular one. Trying to make it look nice. Okay. So it's just a gradual kind of look. So I'm going to show you how I apply it. And hopefully you can see, it's not the best angles, but hopefully you can see how I apply it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started.